Hello everyone, I welcome you once again in this video. Political Science Chapter 3, India's Defense System Part 2. In earlier video, we have discussed what is national security, ways to safeguard national security, even India's security system and paramilitary forces including Border Security Force, Coast Guard, Central Reserve Police Force, Rapid Action Force, even the institutions which are set up for strengthening defense system or NCC, yes, to instill among the students the love of discipline and the military training, even that boy and the girl students from the school and the colleges can join in the NCC. That points we have studied. Now we are going to see the remaining points from this chapter. Yes, Home Guards. This organization was established in the pre-independence period. Yes, pre-independence period means 1947. Before, citizens can join the Home Guards and assist in the defense of the country. Yes, anyone means citizen. Any citizen, man or woman, between the ages of 20 to 35 years can join the Home Guards. These forces has the following tasks. 1. Maintain public security, supply of milk, water and other essential services during riots or the strikes, to regulate traffic, to help people at the time of natural disasters like the flood, earthquake, etc. These are the powers and the functions of Home Guards are given here. See, next, the challenges to India's security. What are the challenges? Right from the time of independence, from 1947, Pakistan and the China have tried to threaten India's national security. There are several disputes between India and Pakistan. Yes, many are there. Some examples also are given here. 1. The Kashmir issue. 2. Disputes over the river water sharing. Indus water river sharing or the Satluj water sharing. The problem of infiltrations, the disputes over the borders, etc. India has continually tried to solve these issues through discussion and negotiation, but somewhere success had got, somewhere totally became a failure one. Then India and the China are the important countries in Asia. In 1962, we have had to go to a war with China. In that war, China had captured the maximum portion of our India. Even today, India is trying to regain that portion, as China is trying to establish its own hegemony over countries that are India's neighbors, like including Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan or the Myanmar. There are tension in Sino-Indian relations. Even today, there is also a dispute between India and the China over their borders, especially McMahon line or the closer to Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, these are the issues regarding China and India. Challenges to India's security. Other points, see, India's security is not only threatened by outside powers but also from within. Third number chapter of history, we have studied that regionalism, terrorism as well as communalism, these are the threats to India's development. It is not just the difference between external security and the internal security that is important anymore. Religion, regionalism, several rebellious movements based on ideology, race, ethnicity and economic inequality are creating instability and hindering development of the nation. Other examples, see, the Naxalite movement in the threat to India's internal security, or the communal right or the regionalism. These also are we call the internal challenges to the India's security. Another, The terrorism is the biggest challenge to India's internal security. Yes, terrorism. We have studied like a means little bit deeply in the third number chapter of means history, and creating means internal instability and creating lot of means problems in the life of the people. It is a global problem too, and India is making efforts to end terrorism. End terrorism, tried level based. And what about the human security then? Human security in the post Cold War period is 1991, after the concept of national security changed and become broader. How that became a broader? National security is not just the security of the country but also of the people living in it. Yes, national security is not related only the nation, it is related directly to the people, because security is ultimately for the people, and because of that human security refers to the human centric thinking. And in human security it is expected that human beings should be protected from all the sorts of the danger, and they should be given the opportunities of education, health and the development. Everything includes in that one. Not only providing the physical security, other facilities also should be given to the humans development. It includes in the human security. Even the concept of human security also includes the idea that a conducive environment, favorable environment should be given for the development. Social development, economical development, political development, spiritual development, religious development and many other purposes should be created for everybody to live a respectable life by overcoming. Yes, which points means they should come over? Yes, illiteracy, poverty, superstition and the backwardness. These are the challenges, and somewhere people feel unsecure. So if they overcome of these all the points, then will feel is a secure one. And human security necessitates the protection of the rights of minorities, yes, and the weaker section, SC, STs as well as women and the children comes in this category. Then challenges to the human security. What are the challenges? See, one by one we'll see. Here the biggest challenge to human security is that of terrorism. Terrorism targets common and innocent people. They never think that when they are the innocent man or the woman or the boy or the girl, or like the rich or the poor or the black and the white by skin. Never they think. It aims at creating terror or the fear in their minds, people's mind, so that they begin to feel insecure. And thus, in order to protect human security, it is necessary to put an end to terrorism. And country like India and other democratic countries in the world are trying level best to put an end to terrorism. Yes, anyhow, any cause. Yes, this is a global issue. Another one, pollution and other changes in the environment. In the last century, like a lot of progress is done in the science and technology. Because of that one, environmental degradation is taken place and have threatened the human life also. Which type of the disease? See, disease like the AIDS, chikungunya, swine flu, Ebola have presented a big challenge, and today that is corona. Okay, corona also became a big challenge for the human security, and protecting the human beings from such diseases is also considered as a factor of human security. Everything comes in that category regarding life. Yes, regarding life and regarding the property, all these challenges are of the human security. So all countries are trying, even including India too. And students, what we have studied in this topic? See, in this chapter we have studied India's defense system. We have also tried to understand the changes in the concept of the security over a period of time, from the national security to human security, especially introduction of globalization to the world or India. In the next chapter, means in the chapter number 4, we shall study the United Nations and the international other organizations. We shall understand what efforts it makes to ensure human security, and what should do and what should not do, how to create the global platform form the human security, like as a giving them education, or like as a helping them through the science and the technology, as well as a bringing them out of ignorance or the illiteracy, pollution and many other problems can misform the human security. So students, like we have completed here the chapter number 3. Like the maximum points by my side I have cleared. Yes, for the better understanding, you watch this video once more, watch this video plus read this topic carefully, so you will get a clear idea about the India's defense system. After this video, you will get exercise of this chapter in the PDF form that you have to complete in notebook, and be studious, like be curious and develop scientific temperament as well as the social responsible. Take care of yourself, take care of your family members, and keep yourself up to date. We'll meet soon with the new video. Take care once again. Jai Hind.